Hello, and I'd like to welcome you to the introduction to CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. We will be having in-depth major discussions on what is CPA marketing and what is affiliate marketing. We will also be having in-depth discussions on how to find networks, how to find promotions, how to find buyers. You're going to need buyers for your promotions, and how to set up the business. You will want to pay attention throughout the course. I know that lectures can sometimes be boring, and I've tried my best to keep the lectures as short as possible. So please take notes. Pay attention to resources along the way. If you have any questions or need any help with anything, please feel free to raise your hand. I'm a cool kind of guy that started out just like you, and of course I am dedicated to your success. So please pay close attention to what's new next video, and I will be going over and covering the best ways to get your questions answered if you have any questions at all. See you in the next video.